Hi, in my last tutorial, I explained border columns, filter, cursor, outline. In this tutorial, I am going to explain some important features of CSS. These are border, image, gradient, column, text overflow. The first CSS property is border image. In my last tutorial, I have already taken a block level element paragraph. Now, I am erasing these properties from here. I think you all know border syntax. Here I am using 10px border width, solid, and I am setting color. If I save it and refresh the web page, you can see the border color. Now I am setting width colon 300px. That means I am setting the width of paragraph. Now you can see width is 300px. Width of the paragraph is 300px. Now I am using border image source, and for source I am using URL function. Here you can see the image name is smile and the type is PNG. So here I am using smile PNG. I am setting border image width colon 15px. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. Now you can see the border image. A developer can use border image repeat property. Here I am using repeat. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see. So these three properties describe the border image. These three properties are border image source, width, and repeat. A developer must keep in memory, before using border image source, width, and repeat, a developer should use border. Without using border, it will not give the output, or it will not show the output. This means you will not get such type of output without using border shortcut property. That means this property. Okay. The next property of CSS is gradient. Remember, there are two types of gradient. One linear gradient and other radial gradient. The functionality of background color is similar to background. So a developer either can use background color or background. Background accepts two functions, one linear gradient and other radial gradient. So let us try to explain this using an example. Here I am erasing this P, that means block level element or paragraph element, and I am also erasing this P from here. I am saving it. Here I am using a P block level element without any content. I am saving it, and here I am writing some properties for this P. I am setting width 100%, height 300px, and background color red. I am saving it, refreshing the web page. You can see the output. Here you can see there is a margin. So to remove the margin, I am using HTML body margin colon 0. A developer can use star in the place of HTML body. If I save it and refresh it, you can see the output. So the margin is 0 now. Now you can see I have already used background color for this P paragraph block level element. Now I am setting another property which is similar to background color is background. Now I am using first function, that is linear gradient function. linear gradient accepts more than one color. So it accepts 2 colors, 3 colors, or 4, 5, 6, more than one color it accepts. So here I am using red, green. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see first portion is red and the second portion is green. So linear gradient accepts more than one color. Here a developer can use red, green and blue. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see 3 colors here, red, green and blue. You can see the direction of this color is vertical, but a developer can set the direction horizontally, diagonally, or in different angles. So to set the direction horizontally, I am using I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see the first portion is red, green and blue. You can rotate this or move these colors. That means blue color will be in first position, then green color, after that red color. What should be done? Here I am using to left. Now you can see the position is changing. A developer can set diagonal value, or a developer can set these colors diagonally. Here I am using to left, top left. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see the first top portion is blue, then green, after that red. Your top right. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. This is the way by which a developer can set the position of a color. A developer can rotate the color. To rotate the color, a developer can use 45 degree. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see the color, the position of the color is now 45 degree. A developer can use minus 45 degree. You can see the color is minus 45 degree. Okay, a developer can set minus 90 degree here, or minus 180 degree, minus 270 degree. A developer can set color according to their criteria. Okay, this is linear gradient. So a developer can set more than 5 or 6 color. Here I am using pink, black, multiple color I am using, and I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see these are the different colors. Okay, now the next function is radial gradient. Here I am erasing this function. Now I am using radial gradient. In case of radial gradient, a developer can use multiple colors. That means a developer can use more than one color, but the developer should specify the value of the color, specify the percentage of that color. That means of the color. Here I am using 5% for red and comma green 10%. Now I am saving it and refreshing the web page. Now you can see the output. Okay, red is 5%, so it is showing 5%, and green is 10%. Now if I use another color here, blue 20%, and saving it and refreshing the web page. Now you can see the effect. The outermost color is blue and the innermost color red and green. A developer can repeat this color block using a special function. This function is repeating radial gradient. Here I am using repeating radial gradient. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see the effect here. So this is the functionality of repeating radial gradient. The next CSS property is column. Before going to this property, I am going to explain caption property, caption CSS property. I have forgotten to explain caption property. We all know that caption is used with table. Here I am using a caption. I am using my name as caption. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the caption at the top of the table. Now I want to change the position of the caption. Here I am using caption side bottom. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see the caption position is at the bottom. A developer can change the position of caption using top value of caption side. You can see the caption position is at the top now. The next CSS property is column. Here I am using a class, div class. It is the class of the div, and I am copying this text from this notepad and I am pasting here. Here you can see the entire text in a single line. I am using right click, format document. Now you can see the wrap document. I am saving it. The class of this div is multi. Here I am writing CSS property for multi class. I am using column count colon 3, column gap 30px, column rule 5px, solid red. I am saving it and refresh the web page. You can see the column. Okay, it's better. I am erasing this P from here. Sorry, I am commenting this P from here. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. Now you can see the entire text has been broken into 3 columns. Now a developer can use text. So column rule is similar to border. Here you can see the syntax of column rule is similar to border. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see the border pattern has been changed. Here a developer can use column rule style dotted. You can see column rule is the shorthand property. So a developer can use multiple properties for column rule. A developer can write property individually. So you can see column rule style is dotted. Rule width 10px and rule color red. I am saving it. So column rule is the shorthand property of these 3 properties. So column rule is the combination of column rule style, column rule width and column rule color. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. You can see the output. So these are the properties of column. Now the next property is text overflow. Here I am erasing this multi and I am also erasing this div from here, and I am erasing P from here, saving it, and P from here. Here I am using a div and I am writing Ranjan Majumder is a programmer. He likes programming. I am saving it, and in case of div, I am just setting the width of the div to 150 px. I am not setting height for the div and setting font size colon 14 px. I am saving it and refreshing the web page. Okay, I am setting it 18 px, 200 px, and border 3 px, solid red. Saving it and refreshing the web page. I am using white space colon nowrap. I am saving it. You can see by default the text property is wrap. If the text does not fit within the container, then it will come to next line. But if a developer use white space nowrap, then the entire text will come in a single line. In my previous video I explained white space. Now I am saving it. You can see the content exceeds the container, exceeds the width of the container. So here a developer can use different type of technique. I am using text overflow. Text overflow ellipsis. After some time you can see the effect. Here I am using overflow. Overflow hidden. Then you can understand the effect of ellipsis. If I save it and refresh it, now you can see the effect. Ellipsis will show 3 dots. But if I comment this portion and save it, refresh it, you cannot see the ellipsis. So to show the effect of ellipsis for text overflow, we have to use overflow hidden. With using this property, you cannot see the effect of ellipsis. Okay. A developer can use clip in replace of ellipsis. If I refresh it, you can see this is clip portion. In ellipsis, you can see the 3 dot. But if a developer use clip, then he or she cannot see the 3 dot. So it's better a developer can use ellipsis for better look and feel. Saving it and refreshing the web page. Okay. So these are the basic functionalities and important properties of CSS, what I have explained in this tutorial. I hope you all enjoy this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, press the like button. If you have any query or question regarding this tutorial, please comment me. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe my channel and spread this tutorial among your friends and colleagues. Thank you. Thank you very much.